What's up, guys? I'm here at the gym. Whoa, let's fix you up there. Today is the 15th. No, what is today's date? Today is the 19th of July. It's Friday. And also, before I came to gym, I was just looking online on Twitter, on X, to see what's going on right now in the world. And just heard information about CrowdStrike's latest patch and how it has disrupted a lot of IT, technology and communications globally. So a lot of infrastructure has been affected in the UK, United States, New Zealand and other places. It's affecting banks, it's affecting Windows computers mostly. So banks and other institutions have been affected. And because of that, CrowdStrike's stock has dropped around like $40. It's going a little bit up right now.
It's actually dropped more.
Oh, it's dropped more. Take a look at this. So because of that, their stock has dropped, and I assume that they'll be able to remediate this problem and fix it, and their company should continue to go strong in the future. So we have bought a little bit of, we put some more money into their stock in hopes that it goes back up, and maybe we'll just short it. So whatever we put in today, we'll sell it as soon as their stock goes back up. But yeah, so that's pretty interesting. It's funny because I saw all this news and I was thinking, oh wow, it's probably a cyber attack or something. But it was just, apparently, according to the information we know now, it was just a patch that is not very patchy. So that's very interesting, guys. But anyway, here we are at gym. We're gonna do like an hour 30 minutes of intense gymming here, starting off on the treadmills to warm up those muscles. Then we're gonna hit the weight machines. I'm gonna do legs today, I'm gonna do arms today, I'm gonna do chest today, everything. And then later on we're gonna go for a nice long walk in the city. We found a new spot that we wanna go try out, so we're gonna take some reading materials there, and we're gonna go to that new spot, and we're gonna hang out for a bit, have a coffee, read our book. Yeah, so I'll take you along with us. Yeah, guys. Anyway, I'll probably throw in here a little montage of me pushing some weights, get you guys inspired, hit the gym, go to the gym, get those weights, feel the energy. You know, if you're feeling tired, you should go to the gym, because although it tires you out, it also gives you more energy. So your muscles will be tired, but you'll be feeling good. So go to the gym, hit the dopamine, and I'll hit a montage here for you. I won't be talking in today's video while I'm doing the gym. So yeah, see you guys later. What's up, guys? So we came home from gym, we ate some lunch, which was burgers with chicken, and now we're out here. It's a super hot day. It must be like 30 degrees. Feels even hotter. What's the time? It's 2:15. Even here behind me we have one of those sprinklers again here on this square. I don't know the name of this location, but it's quite beautiful. This church is really stunning. And the coffee shop we're gonna go to today is over there, called The Revolution. The Revolution Bus, something like this. The Revolution Bus. So we're gonna go to that coffee shop. It looks really cute. There's like small holes in the wall. I'll show you. Alright guys, see you in there. good.
Yo, I'm catching a rainbow.
Catching the rainbows.
With my glasses.
That was really nice. Alright, let's go get some coffee. Alright, this is the coffee shop. How do you say this? De revolucionibus. De revolucionibus.
I have no idea what they're trying to
So it's a bookstore and a coffee shop. Everything is in Polish, I believe. They don't have an English section, but we brought our own books and we're gonna go read them and order a coffee here. It's really cute. Look at these little spaces.
It's not occupied.
And they have an outdoor area. So I think we'll sit up there, yeah?
Which one? That or this?
This one. So cool. Look at this little private spot here. We can read our books. So nice. Oh,
This crazy.
so cool, guys. So we'll go get some coffee and let's go. Alright guys, so we just got the coffee here, iced cafe latte. It's super tasty. It costed 15 Polish zloty, which is around almost $4. And leave in the comments how much to pay for coffee at your local coffee shop. Anyway, this place is really cool. We're here in this little booth, just the two of us, and we're about to read our books that we brought with us. And in this place they have a whole bunch of books that you can just take one out and read it if you want. Obviously you can buy some books. It's really cool here. And today we have two books with us that we're gonna read. The one I'm most excited about is this one called Abundance by Deepak Chopra. So far what we've read is really cool. So looking forward to that.